Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope very well. I'm out here, I'm actually at that same spot again. I want to do a hammock overnighter. So, unless I puss out again, but we'll see what happens. So I'm going to get my hammock strung up and get going. Decided to bring out the Kelty Trekker 65. An external frame backpack. I didn't bother bringing a scale to see what it weighs because honestly, I'm not really that worried about it. At least not on this trip. Tarp, got my food, part of my food, big woodman bag, cook pot, hammock, got my Flexlight chair, tinder, water, hanging straps, and first aid. There we go. Garbage bag. And portage. Well, here's home for the night. I didn't film any of the setup because I've already got videos on my channel of me setting up, so decided not to show it. It's actually a good distance between those trees and no widowmakers. So just strung up my cloudburst tarp. I only pulled this one part away because my head's going to go on this side, so that'll be away from my head. I almost wanted to run it in torch mode so I can watch the fire, but I suppose I could still run this corner up to this tree and sort of do it that way, but no worries. I'm going to get my chair out and take a break. So lunch, it's going to be a filled French toast from Bridgeford. And then I have a wild strawberry crystal light, which I'm just going to pour into some water. You know, one thing I will say about these shelf-stable sandwiches, the filled French toast is actually pretty good. But some of them are kind of iffy on flavor. Some are kind of good, some are kind of eh. But the thing that's nice is I don't have to burn, I don't have to light my fire yet. So, yeah, I think these would be good in like a day pack or maybe a survival kit. But you don't have to burn calories, time, and energy getting a fire going just to boil water for a meal or just to get your stove. I mean, I guess you could use a stove, but you don't have to burn a bunch of calories and use up fuel when you can just rip it open and eat it. So, I told you could say the same thing for like jerky or other foods. You just rip it and eat it. No need to cook. French toasts are pretty nice. Food for thought.